Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne Williams with Back to Earth Creations, but I think you already know that considering y'all are my Patreon pledgers, and I wanted to start off by thanking you guys so much for your patience. We've been dealing a lot with just inconsistencies in who and how Patreon processes pledges. Some of y'all for inexplicably got put into a no reward tier. I thought we were gonna have some problems whenever we shifted things around and started doing the new tier structure, but some of y'all were just shifted over to a different tier automatically, and then some of y'all, like, it was very random. We can't figure out, like, we don't know why it happened. We're just trying to fix it. And y'all have been really great with being patient with us, and doing everything that you can on your end to get moved over into that tier. And in case, if you haven't gotten your February craft crate, please let us know, because we're sending out to the folks who, considering it's almost the end of March, and we're still having people be like, yeah, it hasn't gotten here. And we go and look, and you're in the no reward tier, or we just never shipped it because we were processed late, or I don't know. Like, Randy and I are honestly trying the best that we can. So we're like, are we just really bad at this suddenly? Because a lot of y'all have been pledgers for almost 2 years. Is that right? Oh my God, thank you guys. First off, but we have never had this much trouble. We're like, what is going on? So if you haven't gotten your package, please send us a message and we'll send you a double one for March. March's packages are coming. This is entirely our fault that it has taken this long. We had intended to ship off packages, Monday whenever we got home from Mid-South-Con, which I think was like the 18th, and that way we could avoid any late pledges, late processing of pledges, because sometimes if your card is declined, or there's like a million things, it feels like sometimes that it could have been this, and this, and this, and that's why it happened this way. But anyways, to account for, we were going to ship on the 18th to account for any late processing. That way we wouldn't have this February fiasco again of some people getting their packages, some people not getting their packages. But we are waiting on a shipment from Parawire. Not Parawire's fault, entirely my fault. I ordered much later than what I should have for a custom bulk order, so that we can spool it up and send them out to you guys in the craft-along kits. And as of Friday the 22nd, it still hasn't gotten here yet. Again, my fault entirely. So thank you guys so much for being patient and understanding about that. Just as a note, and I understand, whenever I pay for something, I expect service rendered, because that's what money transactions are. If you are frustrated by my incompetence, basically, and just that things keep coming up and keep coming up, I won't take it personally if you unpledge. If you would still like to support the channel, we are selling some craft along kits on Etsy, and Etsy's just so much smoother about just giving me your name and address, letting me know when the money went through, and just we can get it done and taken care of over on Etsy much more smoothly. Usually, unless we're not at home, within like 1 to 3 or 4 days, if it's like a weekend or something or a government holiday. It's, again, all of these little side note stipulations and I'm so sorry. I wanted this to be very easy and painless for everyone involved, and I just feel like it's been one thing after another, and I'm really sorry for that, you guys. But that being said, though, I'm really excited about March's kits, because we're gonna be, I don't want to ruin the surprise, but it's Celtic-y themed, and there's a lot of, like, I don't know, Randy and I've been working really hard on the coiling and cutting the rings to get the stuff put together, and I'm really excited for it to come together, and hopefully February, March, April will be smooth without a hitch. We'll have packages shipped off by the 15th. Everything should be golden. So, and if not, we'll do another just wave of trying to put out fires. Yeah, I think that's it. I had made a list and I lost it of all the stuff I needed to talk about. If you haven't gotten your package, please let me know. please do double check just to make certain that your shipping information is up to date, and like, you know, the name that you want it delivered to is actually written out and stuff there. That way we can make sure it's getting to the right person. So if you are under the no tier or no reward tier, whenever you check your pledges, like the way that you would check that is you would go to your Patreon page and you would, okay, I think I have it. So this is for the app. Keep in mind, it's so helpful having a tablet. Like, Yvette, that was a great idea to suggest. You will be at your Patreon page, and you can click your creators. And so there you can see the people that Randy and I pledged to. And you would click on the person. Oh, they haven't posted anything. Let's see. You would click on their name. And up here now again, this is the app. It's going to be different on a computer. But up here in the top corner, you'll see those 3 dots. This is my friend Lauren with Lauren Cosplay. You'll click on those 3 dots and it'll have edit your pledge. You can click that and it'll take you to you know, my tiers that you can select from, and that is where you would click and select. It's not loading, but that is where you would click and select whichever tier you would like to have. So yeah, you can click just select if it'll finish loading, and we have it where it requires that you put in your shipping information, and then you'll just scroll down and you can click update, and that will take care of you. And that's how you can go in and edit yourself out of the no reward tier. Again, that's for on an app, like for a tablet or on a phone. I don't know how to do it on a computer. I imagine it would be something similar, but that would be logical. So yeah, hopefully, I really hope that's helpful to you guys. Please contact me if you're having any issues with anything so that I can do my best to help you out. And that being said, I'm going to get back to shooting some tutorials. Where'd they go? I'd made some pieces. Sneaky peeky, here's some pieces that I'm working on to do a tutorial for y'all. So I'm really excited about that too. But thank you guys again so much for everything that you do for Randy and I. I've said it before, and I will say it. I could say it 10 times a day for the rest of my life, and it still won't be enough. Y'all have changed our life. So thank you for everything. And happy crafting. I'll see y'all later. Bye.